Hi student, already we saw about this lesson. Today let us read the lesson. Listen, the lesson title is Plants Around Us. Plants Around Us. In class 1, we learned that plants are living things. Yes, plants are living things which need water, air and sunlight to grow. There are different types of plant growing in different places. There are different types of plant growing in different places. Let us learn more about them. First we are going to see about parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Plants are fixed to the ground. Look at here, plants are fixed to the ground. We can see some parts of a plant that grow above the ground. Yes, we can see some parts of the plant. Already I told you, we can see some parts of the plant that can grow above the ground. Which are the part we can see? Stem, branches, leaf, flower, fruit. These parts and all we can see above the ground. Next, we cannot see those parts which grow under the ground. Yes, we cannot see those parts which grow under the ground. Roots grow under the ground. Roots will grow under the ground. We cannot see the root. They hold the plant to the ground. They absorb water and other nutrient from the soil. Water travel through the stem and the branches to the leaves. Look at here. It will grow under the ground and it will fix to the ground. It will absorb the water and other nutrients from the soil. Water travel from the stem and branches. Next, leaves are mostly green in color. Leaves are mostly green in color. They make food for the plant. Leaves only preparing food for the plant using water and sunlight. By using water and sunlight, leaves making food for plant. Next, flowers are colorful and give out a sweet scent. Yes, if we smell the flower, we can get a good smell from the flowers. Next, they produce fruit and seeds. They produce fruit and seeds. Fruits are the fleshy parts of the plant. Some fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have seed inside them. These seeds grow into new plant if they receive the right amount of air, water and sunlight. Next we are going to see about types of plant. There are many kinds of plants. Some plants are big and some are small. Trees are big plant with hard and strong stems called trunk. For example, mango tree, peepal tree, coconut tree and fig tree. It has strong stem. This is called a trunk. Next, shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than tree. Shrubs are smaller than tree. They have woody stem and grow close to the ground. For example, rose plant, tulsi plant, hibiscus plant, tea plant. It will grow close to the ground. It has woody stem. Next, herbs. Herbs are very small plant with soft green stems. For example, coriander plant, mint plant, spinach plant and grass. It has soft green stem. It has soft green stem. Next, some plants have weak stem and cannot stand straight. Some plants have weak stem and cannot stand straight. They are of two types. Those which grow along the ground are called creeper. Which is grow along the ground is called creeper. Such as pumpkin plant and melon plant. Pumpkin, melon, it will grow along the ground. It has weak stem. Next, those which grow upward using other plant sticks and walls for support are called climbers. It will need these plant will need support to grow upward. This is called climbers. Such as grapevine and money plant. Grapevine and money plant need support to grow upward. Next, some plants also grow in water. For example, lotus plant, water lily plant and hyacinth plant. Protecting the plants. We get many things from the plants such as vegetable, fruits and grains. We use the wood, leaves and flowers of plants to make different things. Plants keep the air fresh and clean. We should try to grow them at home. Listen, we get roti from wheat and we get furniture from wood. We get paper from bamboo. We need plants in many ways, but a lot of plants are being cut. It is because we are using more and more land for growing food or for building houses and factories. Some of the ways by which we can help in protecting trees are listed below. Listen here. We are getting many things from the plant such as vegetable, fruit and grains, and wood also we are getting from the plant. See, but a lot of plants are being cut. Nowadays people cut the tree to make furniture and for agriculture, to build a house and factories. Next, some of the ways by which we can help in protecting trees are listed below. We should not pluck the leaves and flowers of plants for fun. We should not pluck the leaves and flowers from the trees. We should use both side of a paper before throwing it. We have to use both side also in the paper. We should use cloth napkins and bags in place of paper bags. Instead of using paper bag, we can use cloth bags. Next, we could borrow, share or donate books. Yes, instead of buying book from shop, we can get book from others. You too can donate your books to others. So here, to save the tree, you can sapling the plant at your home. Thank you children. In our next class, we'll read a book back exercise.